Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I would like to teach you how you can take a screenshot using Python. So the first thing you need to do is to install a package, a library called pyautogui. Pyautogui. So I've already installed it, so there's no need for me to do it again. So I just wanted to show you. Now we can type import pyautogui, and we're going to use also the time module. And then we're going to create a function called screenshot. And use the time module, time.sleep. And inside this parentheses, we're going to pass like 4 seconds. So the program will wait for 4 seconds before taking the screenshot. And then we're going to create a variable called img is equal to py2.screenshot, and inside this parenthesis I will give a name to my screenshot file. Let's say something like my screenshot.png. And then we're going to use the show function so we can open the file. Then here we're going to call our function. Yes. And then at the end here we can display a success message. Screenshot was taken successfully. Yes. Alright. I would like to take a screenshot of this website, netflix.com. So I will take a screenshot of this website. So let's run our program. We're going to notice a new file will be created here. Let's give it a try. Now go here. Wait a little bit. Okay, let's go back to check if our screenshot was taken. Yes, it was taken. It's right here. Alright, so it was taken successfully. Yeah. So that's how you can take a screenshot of your laptop or any window, or any web page or anything. If you want to take a screenshot, you can use this program, this Python program, to do it. I hope you got some value from this video. Feel free to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe also. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.